Surroundings here, it's your unified teach. Let's go to the lesson. 9th Standard Science, Unit-9, Universe. 9.6 International Space Station. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, subscribe now. Click the bell icon for notification. 9.6 International Space Station. ISS is a large spacecraft which can house astronauts. It goes around in low Earth orbit at approximately 400 km distance. It is also a science laboratory. Its very first part was placed in orbit in 1998 and its core construction was completed by 2011. It is the largest man-made object in space which can also be seen from the Earth through the naked eye. The first human crew went to the ISS in 2000. Ever since that, it has never been unoccupied by humans. At any given instant, at least 6 humans will be present in the ISS. According to the current plan, ISS will be operated until 2024 with a possible extension until 2028. After that, it could be deorbited or recycled for future space stations.
The International Space Station is probably the most fantastic vehicle ever built.
It's a one-of-a-kind laboratory orbiting about 250 miles above the Earth.
And we perform experiments on the International Space Station.
We can do science, we can do experiments, we can learn how to do things out of this world. And the result will help benefit the people on the ground.
So not only that, but we're also seeing benefits of how we actually assembled the space station.
So the International Space Station and its design was essentially designed like a Lego toy. Lots of big pieces that need to be put together. Some of these pieces are going to be about the size of a city bus.
We needed a way of manipulating or moving these big pieces and very precisely putting them together.
Canada worked with its contractor, which was MDA, and with that company came up with a design that was going to meet the needs of the International Space Station.
The solution to that was using a fairly large robotic arm, and that system ended up being Canadarm2. It could move around the space station, grab payloads, move them to where they needed to be so that the space station could be assembled.
You couldn't have built a vehicle like the International Space Station without a robotic system like this.
And that was when we started talking to Synaptive Medical.
Knowing that MDA has done this before in space, we thought it would be very easy for them to bring that experience and that technology into the neurosurgical area and help us with our medical robotics. We worked with MDA to create Drive. Drive is a robot mounted onto a base that holds a surgical camera that can be automatically positioned to any surgical instrument that's tracked by our system.
What this arm does, it follows you and it tracks you, so it speeds up efficiency.
Ultimately, using the Drive system allows the surgeon to have shorter surgical times, which means shorter recovery times for the patient. And ultimately, that's better for the hospital and the patient.
But what the robot does for us is that it allows us to do it safer. We can do it better with less harm to the patient.
The software that runs on the Drive system is directly derived from the software that runs the Canadarm2 on the International Space Station.
Those robotics work with and alongside an astronaut to enhance what they do. So that connection is a very direct and real one.
Right now, it's probably the most used system that we could say is derived from the things we did on Space Station, and we're pretty proud of that.
And I've seen the arm before, we've seen it on the space station, but I never put the two and two together that I'd have the same arm in the OR at some time now.
I think everybody has this dream of how robotics are going to become more and more a part of everyday life. The things that we do with robotics on the space station is basically pushing those dreams forward. And we evolve the system, we gain the knowledge, we gain the experience, the expertise. So this is kind of the unexpected benefits that we get out of doing a program on the International Space Station.
Let us see about 9.6.1 benefits of ISS on the next video. This video is available in Tamil on our channel. If you like this video, please like and share. Please comment below. Subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.